Tata Tigor JTP, is this one of the most interesting hatch or a notch or a mid-size car from the Tata stable? Let's check it out. And if you're here for the first time, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to be notified for all new and awesome videos. Tata Tigor JTP is a performance hatch from the Tata stable which is in collaboration with the JM Automotives. This hot hatch is priced around 7.49 lakhs, which is over a lakh premium than the regular model. The JTP is powered by the 1.2-liter 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine which develops 112.4 bhp, and the torque is at a healthy 150 Nm. It's made it to a 5-speed manual transmission and there's no option for an automatic. The JTP can do a sprint of 0 to 100 in 10 seconds and the top speed claims is around 160 km per hour. Aid to the performance, it has been boosted with performance-oriented intake and exhaust system. It also comes with optimized gear ratios and the final drive has been calibrated for superior acceleration. There are only two color options, white and red, and the car flaunts a large grille, smoked projector headlamp, and also the bonnet and the fender has vents. There are 15-inch diamond cut alloy wheels and also side skirts. Sportiness further continues with the interiors being all black, and also there are sporty accents on the AC vents. The premium leather wrapped steering with contrast red stitching and also performance aluminum pedals extend the sporty theme. I hope you enjoyed the walk around shoot. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off. Bye bye.